Hopefully you can hear me okay. Wrist straps with this game are quite important, as you will see. This is raw data. This is the best game I've played. Yep. Give it a second. I'm going to see if I can turn down the volume of the game so you can hear me a little better. Give it a second and I'll load it. Here I am. Okay.
Alright. Tell us shift to the other side of the room. While you were blowing things up, we've managed to put together a simulation to help with your mission.
It's on my hands. I just came back from Doctor Strange, so... yeah. Oh, audio. Let's turn this up at half. Okay. Right. So this is raw data. It's a combat game. You move by pointing, you teleport there quickly. These are other players. Let's go say hi to that guy. Hello. Right. We're going to start a little training just to introduce the game. Start with the pistol.
Excellent choice. This one is one of our most popular firearms. As you may have noticed, I have taken the liberty of attaching the pistol to your hip.
Unless it's down on my hip. Now it's in my hand.
Forged slug driver by Eden Core.
I'm out of ammo. Grab the magazine.
Features a
Recharge.
discharge array and fires a 12mm
That feels great.
jacket load.
Quick draw. Okay. Yeah.
You may replenish ammunition with the magazine located on the modularized simulation environment. Nearly anything. We find that it
That
is
feels
the
really
best way
good.
to demonstrate EdenCorp's technology.
Okay. Training.
Sure, I like the sound of that.
Robot incoming.
Alright. Let's see what you got.
To reiterate, this is a hypothetical demonstration. EdenCorp's most lovable companions would never be used in such a fashion.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Here it comes again.
You learn faster than most executives I have met. Perhaps I'm becoming a better teacher. Because you are so adept, I will tell you about the bullet storm mode.
Uh-oh. Bullet storm. Swipe left for bullet storm. Okay. Let's see.
For a nominal fee, the Crusader can be upgraded to fire fully automatically.
The options. That's how they get you.
That concludes this product demonstration.
Okay.
Please consult the menu for more options.
So that's one character. One character is purely pistol. The other character is melee.
Here at EdenCorp, we are at the cutting edge of
Your hand back,
specialty personal
grab,
defense
sword.
weapons.
Wow.
Activate.
You are gazing upon the EdenCorp Flashblade, an engineering marvel co-developed by our
It feels fucking cool.
Astrodyne
You know what feels even cooler?
The Flashblade
Doing that.
is an advanced harmonizing Huygens wave dynamic
Oh, I dropped it.
ejector design.
Try that again.
You will be pleased to hear
Yeah.
we accept all major credit cards.
Let's go get him.
Good grief.
So he's going to attack. I'm going to duck. Slash.
Excellent work. You are quite capable. Perhaps more capable than anyone I've yet encountered.
I need that.
Remove your blade. Now let's see what you can do with those fists.
Oh shit.
Nice hustle. But unarmed combat is just as much fun defense as offense. I want you to physically dodge the attacks of the next pair of paperweights before shutting them down.
Tiger Claw. Hadouken! Oh shit.
This is embarrassing. I'm not sure how to stop the demonstration.
Good
Gotcha.
job. Very nice.
Again, my sincerest.
Can I have my sword, please?
This does not affect your relationship with Eden Corp. I am sure we can work out an extra special.
I like the
price
pistol
on it.
guy better. That'll do. Now this is a new training module. Actually, before I do that, I'll play level 1. There's the pistol guy. Blowstorm. Buy that. Yes, I would. Okay. Mission, we'll do 1. Let's go. A player invited me to play with him, but I'm gonna play by myself just for the purposes of this demonstration.
You're in. I don't believe it.
Hands are a bit squiffy. Let's just pick them back up. There we go. Huh.
Hello, my name is Simon.
Hi.
It is my distinct pleasure to introduce you to your exciting new investment,
Oh.
Eden Corp.
The aim of this game is to hack
We seek only
into the
private
security
profit.
systems and defend yourself while that's happening.
A corporate executive will take it from here.
There's the hack tool.
You're at the hard point. Extract the data.
I'll just pick that up.
What's going on with that?
It's fine, don't worry.
Hurry up, before you get spotted. Nice job. The data's down on you. Don't worry. I'm blocking their defenses.
We're protected by the glass, it's fine. No problem.
Security breach detected.
I guess not all of them.
Come on.
Okay, I'll activate your weapon. Hold on. Damn,
Ah.
there's a firewall. This is gonna take a second.
Hurry up. I might need my gun.
We have excellent security. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Almost there. Damn, hold on.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Stop dodging around. Oop.
Hold out for as long as you can.
Oh shit. Okay. This is where the game starts to get a little scary. Oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Crack shot. Yeah. And you. Oh, I hear someone behind me. Yeah. Did it.
That they are trying to kill you. This is terribly embarrassing.
Nice job. Hopefully that's the end of it.
Easy.
We're not authorized to use this terminal, but considering the circumstances, I suppose I can put in a good word with the board of directors.
Grab the extra. Get ready.
43 gigabytes. Shh.
Damn, hold on. Getting you some cover.
Cover? Oh yeah, they shoot. I forgot about that.
Great. They have guns.
Oh fuck. Lost tracking. Ah, I need my magazine. Thank you. What? Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah! I'm fine. I'm fine.
Nice shot. I'm picking something up on my scanner. Do you see anything?
Uh-oh, what the hell is that?
What is this?
Nope. Go away, options menu. Oh shit! Oh dear. Get fucked, get fucked. Ooh, hello. Bye-bye.
Looks like
Yeah.
I'll give you a few seconds by forcing a reboot.
This is not the kind of reception I'd expect from Eden Corp. Intruder or not, this is excessive.
This game's scary.
Where did you get the gun?
Shut up.
Here we go.
Ah!
Damn it, I've lost control.
What is this?
Watch out for flying drone.
Oh shit! Oh no. Uh-oh.
Above you.
Above me. Oh god damn. Get busy. Woo! Oh no. Oh, what is that?
These things are heavy. Brace yourself.
Oh shit, time to go. I think this might be a good excuse for the storm. Time to go. Yeah.
Nice work. We're getting a ton of data. Once this gets out, oh mama.
Do you know, I haven't had a vacation since I started working here. Does that seem right to you?
I just had to demist the headset as it was warming up.
I had it all and I chose this. I may as well have been a microwave.
You passed butter.
I think you're clear.
Ah!
Shit, no! I've lost access.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Please.
Shit. Fucking die. Time to go. Excuse me. Yeah.
緊急ロックダウンを開始します。
Whew, what the?
You can do this.
Heavily armored guy, not good. Didn't mean to do that. That way, please. Time to go. Fire. Fire bad. Where is he? Yeah.
Managed to regain control.
Last phase.
This place. Scary.
I'm not a cool guy.
I have this friend who left his job without having to line up. Now he's stuck, you know? Because no one wants to hire you if you're unemployed, right?
Yeah. I'm ready.
So, do...
Eden is going down for this.
Why?
クリティカルシステムがオフラインになります。Critical systems going offline.
Oh.
Annihilation.
Hang tight.
Fuck off.
Unplanned. Somebody
Attack bot.
Oh dear. That's a lot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was scary. No! Oh boy. Pardon me. Hello. Is that it? Oh dear.
Oh shit. Damn it. I can't open the security doors.
Oh!
Hang in there.
Shit! Oh my god! No! Jesus. Oh dear. Holy shit. Die.
Alright. Mission successful. Look at this data. The power is in our hands.
Thank you for visiting Eden Corp. If you have any follow-up questions, please do not hesitate to contact our Investor Relations Department.
We're getting out of here.
If there is any way that I may be of service, please do not hesitate to ask. It is to my pleasure to make you. Please take me with you.